you know what? Let's talk about Alicante Airport, because Lisa mentioned it earlier. You've mentioned it before. Every time I speak to you guys, you're raving about Alicante Airport. And this is with just cause. It's just been voted the best airport in Europe for the 5th time. So
Yeah,
that is actually a big
and the
selling
third year
point.
running. And the
Yeah.
third year running. Yeah, it's the 5th time and 3rd year running, and it's airports which traffic between 15 and 25 million people a year. So, you know, obviously your Heathrows and everything will be out of that picture, but for that tranche, it's absolutely fantastic. Its security is really quick. It's not a huge airport. It's not easy to get lost in. But the experience when you're in there is first class. They also got recognised through another internal world governing body of airports that they got a distinction, and they were one of 10 airports last year to get this distinction throughout the world. So it's not just Europe, it's they're recognised globally. Interesting though, the airport have just announced also plans to start an expansion project, not a runway, just expansion of the actual airport itself, which begins in 2027 after a consultation period. And it's specifically designed for non-Schengen travellers. So non-Schengen travellers are people from the UK. So what it's designed to do is people from the UK to have their very own channel where they're going to have all of these point of entry systems, which are supposed to be coming in by October this year. You won't be bothered by any other traveller other than UK travellers. Come straight through, and it's designed for ease of entry and exit to and from Spain. So that's going to start in 2027. So if it's easy now, it should be even easier then when the entry and exit systems come in, which are all over Europe, by the way. It's not just Spain, it's an EU thing.
And during that development phase, because that's going to be a big undertaking, will that cause disruption at the airport, or is it going to be completely separate?
They haven't said yet. So the consultation period hasn't started, and the planning hasn't actually started of it. Personal opinion, there'll probably be a bolt on where effectively it's you know, Schengen travellers this way, non-Schengen this way, and it's designed to make entry and exit as simple as they possibly can to keep those awards flowing, hopefully.
Yeah, even swifter. I must admit, every time we've travelled through Alicante Airport from Manchester, where we normally fly from, it's been an absolute breeze. And I don't really like airports at all. It's been an absolute breeze, and it's actually quite enjoyable because it's almost like, you know, hopping on a bus and hopping up. You know, it's really quick, it's really friendly and easy, and super clean. It's good for families. If you've got kids, don't be daunted by it, because you see loads of people with kids there, and they get straight through there quickly, don't they?
They do, and I mean the thing to say as well is from the vast majority of UK locations as well. Alicante is virtually a 365-day airport as well. I mean, people don't just buy in Spain to come in the summer. You know, some people don't come here in July and August because it's too hot for them. You know, they come in the springs and the autumns, and barring Christmas Day, I think you can virtually get a flight from most places in the UK every day.
Yeah. Well, often when we come out, we plan the trip, and sometimes, like the last trip I had with Gary, we basically booked the flights, I think 2 or 3 days after we decide, or you know, within 2 or 3 days after we decided to come out. So it's that quick, it's that accessible. And again, welcome estates, you know, if there's a viewing trip planned, I believe as well, you may even pick up the prospective clients from the airport to make it even more seamless.
Yeah, we do. So, and anybody who's staying in our apartment, so we have clients in our apartment this week, like we do most weeks. But one of my colleagues has clients in the apartment as we speak now, and we provide a pick up and drop off service. We take you to the apartment, get you settled in, show you all the sites. So yeah, it's door to door service. I've even got my little hat.
You know. Yeah, it's great. It's great. I mean, welcome estates, you know, they really do. And I've experienced it myself, to be honest, you know, and that's why I enjoy doing these, is because I've seen it firsthand. you're not going to get a better buying experience than with Welcome Estates. It's a great little system that you've got set up for someone who wants to come out and see properties. This includes flying into the best airport in Europe, getting picked up, getting put in a lovely apartment, which there is a video of on the channel, and then getting to meet the great Colin.
That's the only downside, unfortunately. But,
no, brilliant. So Alicante Airport, there we go.